Fried foods can be pretty darn delicious. But they're often dripping with fatty grease, which is both a little gross and a potential health hazard if consumed in excess. That's where air fryers come in, as a way to fry food without drenching them in oil. When deciding whether or not to buy an air fryer, it's important to ask yourself why you want one. Air fryers won't produce the greasy crunch of traditional fried foods, but they'll definitely deliver a crisp exterior and moist interior without the need for a gallon of oil. How? The air fryers circulate hot air around the food inside, cooking food at a fraction of the time a typical oven requires. Here are the top 5 best air fryers in 2019. Number 5. GoWise USA 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer. The GoWise USA Air Fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried snacks and food without the added calories. Rapid air circulation technology cooks food by circulating hot air in all directions, ensuring fast and even cooking. This XL air fryer has 8 built-in smart programs including fries, pork, shrimp, cake, chicken, steak, fish, and pizza. It offers a wide temperature range from 180 F 400 F and a cooking timer for up to 30 minutes. Featuring a new built-in alarm function that reminds the user to shake or check their food in 5, 10, and 15-minute increments. Air frying offers a healthier and easier way to cook, and in 30 minutes or less. Number 4. Cuisinart TOA 60. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. It will not only bake a 4-pound chicken or 12 inches pizza, broil salmon steaks, and toast 6 bagel halves at once, it can also air fry up to 3 pounds of food using little or no oil. Powerful ultra-hot air fries favorites like wings, chicken tenders, and fish and chips to crisp, golden brown doneness. And since a toaster oven stays on the countertop, this is a fryer that never has to be put away. Enjoy the crunchy texture and tastes you love. No deep fryer required. The Air Fryer Toaster Oven, only from Cuisinart. Number 3. Tefal Multi Actifry Fryer. Prepare healthier, fried food with the Tefal Air Fryer. Using just a tablespoon or less of oil, the machine cooks to perfection a variety of menu items, from meats and seafoods to stir-fries, vegetables, desserts, and more, including up to 2 pounds of French fries that are hot and crispy on the outside and deliciously soft and fluffy on the inside. Simply add fresh ingredients, measure in the oil with the included spoon, set the timer, and walk away. Using an innovative pulse heat system and unique stirring paddle, the Actifry cooker distributes oil evenly and cooks food thoroughly with no preheating required. Made in France, the low-fat fryer and multi-cooker provides a 2-pound food capacity, about 4 servings, a simple push-button on/off switch, a digital countdown timer with buzzer, a steam-free transparent lid for at-a-glance monitoring, and a dishwasher-safe lid, non-stick pan, stirring paddle, and tablespoon for quick cleanup. When it comes to serving delicious, nutritious food you and your family will enjoy. Number 2. Cuisinart AFR25 Air Fryer. anyone can enjoy crispy, flavorful fried foods without the guilt. Engineered to ensure golden brown results, this high-efficiency unit air fries 5 pounds of wings and cooks a wide variety of foods with minimal noise and maximum ease. Simple to use, just turn one knob to regulate the temperature, and the other to set the timer. Designed with a spacious, non-stick interior and stylish stainless steel, the Cuisinart air fryer is easy to clean and complements any kitchen decor. Number 1. Philips HD 9641/96 Air Fryer. Enjoy healthier snacks and meals with this Philips HD 9641/96 TurboStar Air Fryer. Cook fries with spectacular flavor and more evenly while creating crispy shells and tender insides. This Philips TurboStar Air Fryer saves you time with the quick control dial and 4 presets for common dishes. Cooks fried food 50% more evenly and has 4 presets for your most popular dishes: frozen fries, meat, fish, and drumsticks. The removable non-stick coated drawer of the in-food basket of the air fryer are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Holds up to 1.8 pounds of food. Voltage, 120 volt. Thank you for watching about Top 5 Best Air Fryers 2019. If you want to buy these products, we have put a link in the description section below.